You are in approach and have extended the landing gear and
On the engine warning display, read the title of the failure.
an anti-skid failure has been detected, and it can be caused by a total BSCU failure or the loss of normal braking system associated with a yellow hydraulic low pressure. On the ECAM wheel page, notice the amber message, which confirms a total BSCU failure. Notice also the other amber messages which are linked to the BSCU failure. Notice that, even if the ABCU has automatically limited the braking pressure at 1000 psi, the pilot should also limit the brake pedal deflections to not overshoot this maximum pressure, which is shown on the engine warning display, and after clearing the ECAM on the status page. Note: the ECU press and brakes indicator will be used to monitor the related braking pressure. You should avoid landing on an icy runway. After touchdown, when braking is required, the pilot flying will apply the brake pedals with care. He will keep the related pedal deflections stable when the pilot non-flying announces 1000 left and 1000 right. While taxiing at low speed, the pilot in charge of the braking should adjust the brake pedal's deflection as required.